Hi, I'm James Treble. I'm here with Brickworks and welcome to Tips and Tricks. In this series, we're going to be offering the need-to-know tips for building your dream home. Today, we're talking sustainability. A key focal point for many Australians is ensuring that their home is sustainable and has minimal environmental impact. With many architects and designers moving towards a sustainable building future, it's time to consider how you can reduce your home's carbon footprint. Creating an environmentally conscious home is much simpler than you think. And with these 5 tips, you can ensure your home is good for the planet, easy on your wallet, and pleasing to the eye. In this episode, we'll show you just how simple it is to create a comfortable, sustainable home. Let's dive right in. 1. Pick a carbon neutral brick. Brickworks is the first company in Australia to create certified carbon neutral bricks under the government's Climate Active certification. The entire range of bricks manufactured by Brickworks in Australia can be carbon neutral, cradle to grave. This certification is achieved by reducing emissions through efficiency improvements and by offsetting the remaining emissions, resulting in a product that has a net zero carbon footprint. 2. Remember that brick provides thermal mass, helping to reduce your carbon footprint and your energy bills. As high-density materials, bricks have the ability to effectively absorb and store heat and energy and slow down its transfer, saving energy by reducing the amount of artificial heating and cooling required to maintain a comfortable temperature. 3. Design for a north-facing home. When designing your home, make sure the home is north-facing where possible. A professionally designed north-facing home can take the edge off the summer heat and use the warm winter sunlight, providing a pleasant living space all year round. People feel safe, relaxed and cozy in and around such a home, which also boosts the property value. 4. Incorporate solar into your build. Having roof tiles makes it easier to install solar panels. They generate clean energy to power a home. They generate zero carbon emissions and they also reduce energy costs. And finally, 5. Use permeable paving solutions. If you're looking for the most eco-friendly paving solutions, causeway permeable pavers are by far the best choice. While many paving products obstruct the passage of water down into the ground and into the natural water table below, permeable pavers allow water to drain through them and into the soil, while still offering a strong and aesthetically pleasing paved surface. They optimise sustainable living and are effectively supporting stormwater management without the need for formal drainage infrastructure. As you can see, you can have a very beautiful and stylish looking home that's also sustainable. For more tips and tricks on sustainability, go to brickworks.com.au/tips and tricks.